Okay, this week's cab over project. I decided to cut a floor mat. Since they don't make floor mats for these anymore, at least any that I've found, I decided to get a little creative. Well, let's start back here. I took a whole bunch of poster board and started cutting it in sections to fit the floor. Driver's side, around the emergency brake handle, the wiring harness, dimmer switch, steering column, around the more wiring in the clutch pedal, gas pedal and stop, shifter, heater core lines. I just cut it a little at a time, taped it all together as one big piece so I had a pattern. Don't laugh at my cardboard CAD. It actually worked. I ordered a piece of 5/32 thick diamond plate rubber from McMaster Car. $130 shipped to the house for a 3-foot by 8-foot piece. Laid my template out and started trimming. I ran it from where the firewall drops back to just where it starts to hump up for the seat. Actually fits for a first attempt. It fit really well. I pulled the gas pedal so it goes underneath. Gas pedal actually kind of holds it in place. Notched around the heater core, runs right up to the footwells. Thought it came out pretty good. I might actually try to make a CAD drawing of my template. Not sure if there's any interest for anybody else that has one of these to make their own floor mat, but rather than starting from scratch, maybe I can draw up a template that others can use and just eliminate what they don't want. If they have an automatic, eliminate the shifter cutout. If your emergency brake's on the dash, you could eliminate that, so on and so forth. Leave me a message in the comments if you might be interested in a copy of the template. So that's it for this week.